Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. Look what we got for you today. A 1973 Bronco. It's been completely built from the bottom up with a lot of upgrades. It is for sale. Go to volocars.com to get the pricing and all the specs and see a couple hundred other cars for sale as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put such a variety of really cool stuff on there. That's the best way you can stay in touch with what we're posting. But I'm going to tell you what I know about this one. I don't need to tell you how cool it is. These things are the hottest thing on the market, these little SUVs. But up front here, it's got a big custom heavy-duty bumper. It's been powder coated, has tow hooks, has fog lights. It has a new, it looks brand new, 12,000 pound winch. Very cool. The emblems look new, headlight bezels look like custom headlights. It's been completely repainted, has some hood pins. Got the fender flares riveted on. Of course, it's jacked up. Got custom suspension under there. Custom wheels here. Big tires. I'll get you the size here. 35 by 1250 by 17 inch. Obviously four-wheel drive. It's got dual shocks at each corner. Custom coilover springs. A lot of aftermarket parts on the suspension. It's got tubular running board. Nice mirror. Has a convertible top. The side windows are behind the back seat there. Body's real nice. Got a billet custom gas cap. All the plastic is tinted. Nice handle. Looks like a custom license plate bracket. The rear bumper is also custom and it's been powder coated. Does have a hitch receiver. Maybe we can peek underneath here and get a look. That's a custom Curry rear end that's in there. It's got the Dana rear end up front and the Dana transfer case as well. It's got blocks there to raise it up. Again, two shocks at each corner. This side looks just as good. It's got a pretty cool interior. The entire inside of the truck is all solid, clean metal. Nothing rotten, nothing soft. And it's all been sprayed in that durable bed liner. Really nice custom seats. I think that's like that neoprene, so they should be like weather resistant. They recline, they're very comfortable. And it has a full roll cage system, not just a roll bar, but a full roll cage system front to back. Nice door panels. I'll go around to the other side. It does have a custom steering wheel tilt. It's got a really nice match set of phantom gauges in the dash. The big old tachometer mounted up here on the bar. It's got a new set of switches. It's got ignition switches, fan, lights, heater. It's all on one switchboard. Got real nice seats. Got a pretty killer stereo system from what I'm told. It's got speakers down here in the kick panels, subwoofer in the back. If you want to show the back, it's got a matching seat to the front seats, and everything is sprayed in that durable bed liner. Not saying you want to leave this out in the rain, but if it got wet, I don't think it's going to hurt it one bit. So it has dual electric wiper motors. So let's pop the hood real quick and then I'll start it up for you. That's pretty cool under the hood. It's got a 302 that's been stroked to a 331. So it's a pretty tight little motor. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, intake, a big dual feed Holley carb, MSD ignition system. Got nice looking polished valve covers on there. All new power brake system. It's got a new power steering system. Nice aluminum radiator with electric fan. Everything's painted real nice. It's tidy and clean. Got an overflow bottle, new alternator. It's got a switch in the fender here to kill the battery. So that's a pretty cool Bronco. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to take it for a little ride, let you know how it is. The 73 Bronco sounds good. The motor's healthy. The stereo sounds great.
The day, the music died. So bye bye, Miss American Pie.
Yeah, you'll definitely hear that with the top down, wind blowing. Sounds great. The motor itself, though, that's its own form of music.